Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today's tutorial is about how I draw glossy lips. Many digital artists struggle to draw and color lips, but this tutorial will help you a lot. So watch the full video and don't miss any point. Okie dokie, let's start. I use texture pen to draw line work. It's light in opacity and the line work doesn't look too simple.
너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니 초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여
Now I will select a color that is not too bright and not too dull for the lip space. I use airbrush 60% brush to color base area because this brush have light opacity and blur. Now add a darker shade to the shadow areas and mix it with watercolor water brush.
저 멀리로 달려갈래 I'm running just for you I will be right there 날 믿어줘
For a more defining look, add up more darker shade to give it a 3D look.
크게 웃어볼 거야 꿈꾸던 그날이 오면 할 수 없는
Now add the lip color you actually want. For males, lip color is basically a more natural color, but for female, we have a variety of colors.
I don't wanna be vivid under if you can't see me
Now add a darker shade of the color you choose.
Make a way to go Yeah, what I have to be I don't know that I someday I should have been now I'm strong in this night and
Now time to make the lips glossy. So for that, select dip in hard and make the size of brush very small. Here's a trick. Add the highlight and mix it with watercolor water. Brush very lightly. Don't mix the whole color. Then again add highlight strokes on the mixed color for a variant look. Another layer, add light strokes to the highlights area and mix it for a juicy and glossy lips. So it's really simple, right? Then what are you waiting for? Go open your canvas and try this trick right now. You can try out different lip shapes and apply the same trick to all of them. Tell me in the comments section if this tutorial helped. And if you need more tutorials like this, don't hesitate to ask me. Oh then, see you in the next video. Bye!